How to send files from phone to laptop via Bluetooth. So let's get started. First of all, in your laptop, you have to know about your device name. So for that, navigate to search bar, and in the search bar, search for settings. Go to settings. Now under settings page, tap on system or click on system. Now under system, scroll down all the way to end and then click on about. And under this about, you will be able to know about your device name. So this is your device name which will appear in your Bluetooth. After you know about your device name, now what you have to do is in your mobile device, you have to share a file via Bluetooth. Once you share a file via Bluetooth, now in your laptop again go to your Bluetooth settings and from here click on receive a file. Now once you share a file from your phone to laptop, in your phone you will be able to find your laptop device name. You can and pair with your laptop. Once you pair with your laptop, now it says waiting for connection in your laptop. After you share from your mobile device, it will automatically be loaded up here, and then you can receive a file from your device and then you can receive a file from your mobile device. After you receive that, you can save it somewhere in your file location, and once you have done that, you have successfully received a file from your mobile device, and you can simply locate that and use that file. So this is a way to use, or this is a way to transfer files from mobile to laptop via Bluetooth, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.